Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, Scotiabank Jamaica has launched a new credit card product in conjunction with American Express. The company officially debuted the card on Sunday. The launch of the Scotiabank American Express Platinum Card represents an expansion of the US-based company's offerings to the Caribbean region. President and CEO of Scotiabank Jamaica, Audrey Tugwell Henry, says the new card, being rolled out under an exclusive arrangement, will provide a wide range of benefits to customers.
VIP access to top-rated restaurants around the world, American Express Premium Concierge Service, luxury hotels, platinum vacations, priority passes to some of the best airport lounges, the best rewards programs, and so much more. In addition to the renowned offerings associated with the card, we have also brokered additional benefits in Jamaica, including a dine-in program at selected restaurants as well as discounts at some merchants.
The card has an annual fee of 78,500 Jamaican dollars with an interest rate of 34% on Jamaican dollar denominated purchases and 19% on US dollar purchases. Scotia's District VP of Retail Banking, Yvette Anderson, says the card will benefit a specific group of clients.
We are targeting customers who are interested in being part of a premium rewards program that offers maximum rewards on their points. With this card, your points never expire, and there's no cap on what you earn. We're also looking for that customer who has heavy credit card usage. As you realize, this is a platinum card, and so we're targeting those customers.
Starting with this new card, Scotiabank says it will also be launching a new application to allow customers to redeem points and benefits. Now let's head to the foreign currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.63. $118.87 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $200.42, while it's costing $174.99 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index advanced by 1,135 points today, while the junior market index increased by 31 points. Among the 47 winners were Spur Tree Spices, Blue Power Group, Pulse Investments, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, and Kingston Properties. Now, the 47 losers include Dollar Financial Services, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, JMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, as well as JMB Group's 7.25% shares, and closing the decliners was Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares. Now 12 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.